Hello, my name is Alex, and I will show you how to install and deploy SugarCRM Web to Lead plugin. So I have a few things open here. So this is the instance of SugarCRM, and this is a sample instance of WordPress with the default plugin with the default theme. And I have the administration admin part of it open. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta upload the unzipped plugin into the plugins folder. It's located in WP content / plugins. The plugin can be downloaded from WordPress repository. It's called SugarCRM Web to Lead, or it can be downloaded from directly from SugarCRM. We just upload the folder into the plugins, and once that's done, you can go to plugins, install plugins, and you will see SugarCRM Web to Lead plugin appear here. Simply click activate. Once that's done, you're gonna have a new setting and a new page under the settings, and it's called Sugar Contact Form. When you go in there, you will see a number of settings that I'm going to walk you through setting up. The first thing, you actually need to deploy the actual contact form. To do that, you just copy this short code, sugar form, and you put it onto one of the pages where you want the form to appear. So let's open our sample page here. All you need to do is just paste it into either a visual or into the HTML. Just going to do this, click update, and once that's done, you should be able to see the form appear on the front end of the site. It's right here. We don't have any fields yet, but the form is there. It's a good sign. Now we need to fill this out. So we put in the thank you message, like thank you. The error message that will appear in case one of the required fields is not filled out. Submit button text. Now all these settings are going to come from SugarCRM. The first one is a sugar URL, and you simply copy the URL where your SugarCRM is located. In this case, it's crm.diamond.com. Now we need to create a campaign. Or you can use an existing campaign if you already have one. So I am going to walk through the wizard here. This can be anything. Oops. Campaign is created. Now we need to create a lead form. Let's choose the fields that we have to have the last name as is the required field. We need to, let's say we want to have a phone number and email address. I'm going to click next. We have to select the campaign, and you might also want to select another user you want the leads to attach. You want the leads to be attached to. So once it's done, the form is generated by Sugar, and you need to click Say Web to Lead Form. This is the HTML we're going to be working with. That's the easiest way to do this. So I'm just going to paste the HTML into my editor. And the first thing that we need to grab is the campaign ID. I'm going to grab the campaign ID. We're going to put assign to user, and this value is 1. That's our admin. And I'm going to put the required fields, and as you may remember, that was last name. And you can have them separated like this. Now, here we should describe all our fields, all the other fields that we want to use, and these are located in this area. So we'll start with last name, phone number, and email address. So these are the name of the fields, and only last name is required. And here we can have a label. You can also hide the form once submitted. You can add captcha, which could be two simple numbers to add. You can have your own question, and you can even if you know any CSS, you can add any custom CSS to your form. Once you click Save Changes, we can look at our form. I'm just going to refresh this page, and here's our form. I'm gonna test this. Now, as you can see, the form disappear. It gives us a thank you message. And let's go back to Sugar. Go into Sales, click on Leads, and this is our lead. This is it. Thank you. Bye-bye.